I'm going to show you how to replace the hood trim on this 2008 GMC Sierra. You can see we've got some bubbling right there and just a whole bunch of pitting. Now that I've got an extra hand, I can show you that this is just totally coming apart. So all you got to do is open the hood, and you will see that there are a bunch of little clips. You're just going to want to grab a pair of pliers, pinch those, and push them forward, and the whole thing should pop out. Okay, got the old one off. There's a bunch of pins, and some of them are trickier than others to get to. But this far side, since it was loose, some body shop along the line decided to epoxy this thing. And so I had to fight with it a little bit. You can see where the glue was. So I've got this touch-up paint. Even though you don't see it and it's underneath the trim, I'm just gonna touch up these bare spots and where the chrome was rubbing, because that could spread and rust. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Now you can see I've got some touch-up paint on there. Now it's not perfect, but it's better than nothing. And this truck does have 200,000 miles, so it does have some rock chips. And I believe this is the original hood, so it's going to show a little bit of age, but this new chrome trim will cover this lip all the way up, and it'll make it look brand new again. There we go, just like that. Brand new piece of chrome. And here's the old one. Look at that difference.